In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A35 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. First, launch settings and scroll to tap on advanced features over here. When you finished, you can scroll all the way down to click on Dual Messenger, and after a few seconds clone any of available apps by clicking on grey switcher next to the chosen one. Then choose Install. And wait! So when I go back to check it out, I can see that my Facebook was successfully cloned. Now, if you will ever wanna delete your cloned app, go into the same section of your settings, use now blue switcher, and hit Uninstall. Quick tip though, if you want to use separate contact list, click on it under Contacts, enable it thanks to this switcher at the top right corner, and then hit Select Contacts to add them thanks to this button at the top right corner. After selecting all of those you want, hit Done. You can delete them the same way. Hit Delete at the top right corner, tap on Chosen Ones, and choose Done. In this pop-up, confirm your choice, and then while disabling this feature, confirm it again, this time by choosing OK in Use Your Regular Contacts pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!